Very good morning everyone, welcome back to BT and Makra channel on YouTube. My name is BT and this morning is Saturday morning. I'm going to visit the village and the country market, the village market along the way to Phnom Penh. So let's go. Hello again, my name is BT. I'm here right now at Takou Market. It's a village market at Chrey Lors Village, Chrey Lors Commune, Punhea Leu District in Kandal Province. I will take a tour in this market soon. Pound rice. And this one is custard apple, and this one is called lemot in Khmer. This one is called Cambodian sticky rice cake, Phnom Penh. They have sticky rice and bacon and yellow bean inside, wrapped by banana leaf. It's called Phnom Penh churu. Nghe ôm nùm xó môi mán nùm xó môi tí con thèm và nùm xó mình sẽ rời mùi chọn nùm xóm chêch ní xóm chêch mùi pram rồi còn xóm chêch mùi pram rồi thì ố mình mà lưu thiết dạ lưu sla và kia ta chặt chặt và nùm mai dưới cùng đang có các công tàu rít trong lục đô hay xa Takou jelly. This one is jelly, coconut jelly. And this more man on coconut jelly is 500 baht. And this one is Cambodian rice pan cake. This more man on this cake at 500 baht each. Cambodian rice pan rice cake, Cambodian noodle, lemon chop. It's the vegetable for Cambodian noodle topping. The yellow flower, the green leaf, the long green bean. Cambodian noodle in the morning. It's a good breakfast for the morning. This is called lotus root. They got it from the mud from lotus. It's called lotus root. And this one is water lily. This one is water spinach. It's good for sour soup, Cambodian sour soup with fish, with crab, lots of big fish. Big fish. This way, boy. The fish. Customer are waiting here to buy the fish. And this one is sugar palm. Score now không mà? Anh nó mà sẹt mán. Và mà sạ của mỗi con score nào lấy. Chẳng. Mà lấy đặt mặt lỗ mà chẳng. Đấy. Meat. 1 kilo is 28,000 real. 1 kilogram. So when you die, this is river fish, lake and river fish. In the morning, fish are really popular and fish is good for train. Hello everyone, I'm here inside the market. It's a country market. This market is called Takou Market. It's at Chrey Lors Village, Chrey Lors Commune, Punhea Leu District in Kandal Province. It's a small village market serving the need of local people. So people usually come here in the morning to buy fish, meat, vegetable, and other things for cooking for lunch, and also reserve for dinner or tomorrow or something. So I'm going to walk through in this market, showing what's available in this small Takou Market at Chrey Lors Village. Đập khơi nữa. Mới nhỏ chát khơi nhỏ. Anh sẽ chụp chân mà cái lỗ mán bông. Cái lỗ mờn và 20,000 real. This is Cambodian rice pancake, bánh cháo. Anh sấy bánh cháo môi mán. Môi con pram ô bà bánh cháo. Anh sấy lúc bánh cháo. Ướp xa tạc cô. Bánh cháo môi một con pram rồi real. This pancake is good to go with the green vegetable and fish sauce. The fish sauce, we need to add peanut and chili to make it tasty. One rice pancake is 1,500 real.
Ông dọn tay thay ướp này
Peanut, sweet fish sauce, and chili. Anh ấy nôm mấy kép à? Nôm chừng chru.
Năng cái hàng nôm pom này đẹp, quanh cái hàng chru.
Oh, say that nôm, they call it nôm pong or pig leg cake. Khả năng lộ môi má nữa. No.
200 rồi.
No, 2 cake for 500 real. So when you come to Cambodia, you can try this food. It's hot cooking in a hot frying pan. called pig leg cake, 2 cake for just 500 real. This one is one for 500 real, this cake, because it's big and banana inside. And this cake, 2 cake for 500 real. The ring cake also 500 real for 2 cake. This place is serving breakfast. They have rice with pork, chicken drumstick, and this is pork dessert and beef meatball for soup. So this is a noodle, kind of noodle, many kind of noodle and breast stick. Another kind of noodle for serving customer. It's a noodle stand at Takou Market, Chrey Lors village in Kandal Province. This banana rice cake. Ní xóm cake mỗi mán không? Banana rice cake, 500 real for 1 cake. So mà nó mỗi mán. This one is 500 real for each cake. They call it num cơm. With sticky rice with sweet coconut inside, wrapped by banana leaf. It's Cambodian rice cake at Takou Market. It is cutting pumpkin, vegetable for soup. This one is taro dessert with coconut on top. This one I don't know, it's covered by soup. This one is green bean. This one is red bean rice dessert. One hand is a grilled chicken edge. Oh, này mua mán. 3? Oh, 3 grilled chicken eggs is 2,000 real. You can try it, really tasty. Let's check this out. It's ring cake and this one is called Phnom Penh with white cake. Actually, it's just like a rice cake. We put in the frying pan, make it flat like this. They call it Phnom Penh, but it's just rice cake. And this one is waffle. You know what waffle is? Waffle is very simple Cambodian rice cake. You know this one is from corn. They steam corn and them in a plastic bag with sugar and coconut on top. They call it pot takambao. Đấy, pot takambao chứ mọi. Okay.
Xôi.
Xôi. We call it mùng xôi. Mùng xôi bài tầng nào? Hay môi má hả?
Môi ra mồi.
Mùng xôi cho mỗi bài tầng nào? Banana leaf. I'll take one and try it. Mùng xôi. We call it mùng xôi. Con nấm sôi.
Sôi.
Tamarin. A bite man like a corn. Tamarin, 1 bunch. See, 1 bunch like this is 1,000 real. You wanna try it? It's sour. You can eat with chili sauce. Do you like it? It's really good. It's called Takou. Takou. It's Takou. We got it from the ground. It's something like taro, but it's called Takou. So this is a bun with Takou. This one is just 1,000 real. We have to remove the skin before we can eat. It's something like this. It's called Takou. Thank you, Grandma. So this is Takou. You have to remove the skin. Now I can eat it. Natural, not sweet, not salty. It's just naturally from the nature. Very good. Here's the one that behind me. Pickled cabbage. Wanna try it? It's sour, it's good to eat with grilled bacon. It's like kimchi, but it's Cambodian pickled cabbage. I bought fish meat. 1 kilo is 28,000 real from the fish vendor. It's really good to make fish cake. Bán đấy bạn đánh. Bán nhé. She remind me to put in the fridge. Still here at Takou Market, walking in the market, showing everything here. It's called Takou Market at Chrey Lors Village, Chrey Lors Commune, Punhea Leu District in Kandal Province. So I'm walking out of the market, showing everything behind me. It's called Takou Market.